Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company near Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new painters that we train to be professional painters. Here we're going to talk about some basic inspection of an extension ladder. Right here we have a 24-foot extension ladder. The parts we like to check first is we like to take a look at the rope here, if you can bring the camera in close. This rope is in good shape. There's not any frays or breaks in the rope, and so that'd be one of the first parts that we actually like to take a look at, is the rope here. Second would be these rung locks. What I like to do here, I like to lift them up and I want to make sure my springs still work. So I like to put those between these two rungs, and you can see how those just actually pull out and come back. And so those rung locks are in good shape. And then we've got these little feet here that actually will swing back on two little springs as well. Camera can go ahead and step back here for a minute. I like to come down here and inspect my two leveling legs, which are on the feet here as well. If you want to bring the camera in again, I probably asked you to go back a little too quickly here, but we have these, they're on cables. And these you have to hold the ladder here and pull out. But what I don't want to do is wrap the cable around the front of the ladder. If you do that, these cables will actually break when right up here, if we can come up here, when we slide this part of the ladder down, the cable here will break if it's wrapped around the front. So always bring your cable around this way and put in your pin. And what these legs do is they level the ladder. We also have a little bubble right here that actually tells if your ladder is pretty level as well. And you want that in the middle of those two lines when at all possible. Sometimes that's just not very possible. And so those are some of the basic things you inspect on a ladder. What you also do is you look up a ladder, make sure your ladder is not bent. Make sure none of these welds or these rungs here, these steps, these rungs are bent, or these welds aren't broken or cracked. If we see any problems with these rungs being cracked or bent, or these rung locks are not working properly, or if the rope is frayed, one of these is broke, the only option is to replace the rope if it's just a rope, and we keep those in our storage. If it's a bent rung, broken weld, something of that nature, we tag the ladder and make it inoperable, that is not to be used anymore. Same with the rung locks. We would tag the ladder as inoperable, and we would actually have to order these rung locks and get those replaced. We also have these extra pins in the shop that we can actually, if any of these cables break, we can just put one on and we just take this nut off and adjust it that way. We also like to see if these feet are working, and we pivot back and forth, which they do. And that is basically basic inspection of an extension ladder. For more questions, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com or 574-834-3575.